Hey there, my name is Ken and here's the most searched stock tickers on YouTube. I'll just review what are those stocks. These are not advices nor endorsements. I use the vidIQ service to find out these tickers. I usually use it for the YouTube channel. So trade the like button and invest in subscription to the channel and let's go. You're also welcome to support the channel. All the links are down in the description. The most searched keywords actually are Bitcoin and Dogecoin. But since they are not stocks, we'll leave them alone. What is the most searched stock ticker? What do you think? Of course, it's Tesla. If you don't know what is Tesla, but I'm pretty sure you do, here I'll tell you. Tesla Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures, leases, and sells electric vehicles and energy generation and storage system in the United States, China, and internationally. The company operates in two segments, automotive and energy generation and storage. The automotive segment offers electric vehicles as well as sells automotive regulatory credits. It provides sedans and sport utility vehicles through direct and used vehicle sales, a network of Tesla superchargers, and in-app upgrades and purchase financing and leasing services. This segment is also involved in the provision of non-warranty after-sales vehicle services, sale of used vehicles, retail merchandise and vehicle insurance, as well as sale of products through its subsidiaries to third-party customers. It also provides services for electric vehicles through the company-owned service locations and Tesla mobile service technicians, and vehicle limited warranties and extended service plans. The energy generation and storage segment engages in the design, manufacture, installation, sale, and leasing of solar energy generation and energy storage products and related services to residential, commercial, and industrial customers and utilities through its websites, stores, and galleries, as well as through a network of channel partners. This segment also offers service and repairs to its energy product customers, including under warranty and various financing options to its solar customers. The company was formerly known as Tesla Motors Incorporated and changed its name to Tesla in February 2017. Tesla Incorporated was founded in 2003 and it's headquartered in Palo Alto, California. And probably you know the history of it in the stock market very well. Second on the list to be searched on YouTube is NIO. NIO Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures, and sells smart electric vehicles in mainland China, Hong Kong, the United States, and the United Kingdom, as well as in Germany. The company offers 5, 6, and 7-seater electric SUVs as well as smart electric sedans. It is also involved in the provision of energy and service packages to its users, marketing, design, and technology development activities, manufacture of e-powertrains, battery packs and components, and sales and after-sales management activities. In addition, the company offers power solutions including Power Home, a home charging solution, Power Swap, a battery swapping service, Public Charger, a public fast charging solution, and also Power Mobile, a mobile charging service through charging vans. There's also Power Map, an application that provides access to a network of public chargers and their real-time information, and One Click for Power Valet service, where it offers vehicle pickup, charging, and return services. Further, it provides repair, maintenance, and bodywork services through its NIO service centers and authorized third-party service centers. It also offers third-party liability insurance and vehicle damage insurance through third-party insurers, courtesy car services, and roadside assistance, as well as data packages and auto financing services. Additionally, the company offers NIO certified and used vehicle inspection, evaluation, acquisition, and sales service. NIO has a strategic collaboration with Mobileye NV for the development of automated and autonomous vehicles for consumer markets. The company was formerly known as Next EV Incorporated and changed its name to NIO in July 2017. NIO was founded in 2014 and is headquartered in Shanghai, China. So for now, the YouTube search is electric vehicle 2, others 0. Next one to be searched most is Palantir. Palantir Technologies Incorporated builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. Palantir Gotham, a software platform for government operatives in the defense and intelligence sectors, which enables users to identify patterns hidden deep within datasets, ranging from signals intelligence sources to reports from confidential informants, as well as facilitates the handoff between analysts and operational users, helping operators plan and execute real-world responses to threats that have been identified within the platform. It also offers Palantir Foundry, a platform that transforms the ways organizations operate by creating a central operating system for their data, and allows individual users to integrate and analyze the data they need in one place. Palantir Technologies was founded in 2003 and is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. Next stock ticker is SOS. I didn't know what stock is this, but now I do and will tell you immediately. SOS Limited, a technology company, provides marketing data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services to corporate and individual members. It operates SOS Cloud Emergency Rescue Service software as a service platform that offers basic cloud products such as medical rescue, car rescue, financial rescue, and mutual assistance rescue cards. It also provides cooperative cloud products including Information Rescue Center, intelligent big data, and intelligent software and hardware, and also information cloud products such as News Today and E-commerce Today. The company serves insurance companies, financial institutions, medical institutions, healthcare providers, auto manufacturers, security providers, senior living assistance providers, and other service providers in the emergency rescue services industry. SOS Limited is based in Qingdao, the People's Republic of China. Another stock ticker to be searched a lot on YouTube is MARA stock. This is Marathon Digital Holdings. It operates as a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets in the United States. The company was formerly known as Marathon Patent Group and changed its name to Marathon Digital Holdings in February 2021. Marathon Digital Holdings was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Las Vegas, Nevada. So we together figured out that EVs and crypto-related stocks are on hype and searched a lot by YouTube viewers. Other keywords that are popular on YouTube are YouTuber names, passive income, day trading, penny stocks, etc. Let me know in the comments, do you have any of these stocks in your portfolio? I'm really curious about it. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.